Hi children, good morning to all. How are you? Okay, welcome back to our English online classroom. And what we discussed in the previous class? Yes, we discussed about our fourth lesson. What's the name of the chapter? How the firefly got its light. So in this chapter we discuss about the firefly. Our firefly was so sad. What's the reason? Yes, because he thought he has nothing special. And he looked around and said, our butterfly is so pretty and the bees are so strong. And he felt that he has nothing special. That's why he could not sleep at night. And one day he could not sleep at night and he flew around in the garden. At that time, our mole and mouse, they were also away, but they didn't see our firefly. What's the reason? Because our firefly was so small. That's why they are not able to see our fly. And after that, our fly saw the stars are shining in the sky, and he felt that I want to shine like this, but he don't know what to do. After hearing these words, our moon said, if you can be my friend, I will teach you a secret spell. After that, you will be able to shine. And our fly asked, how can I help you? So our moon said, you can be my friend. When I come out in the dark, all other animals were asleep. So I have no friends. If you are my friend, I will teach you a secret spell. If you say this spell every night, after that you will be shined. And our fly agreed because he want to become special. In the next night, our fly stayed away. And he said the secret spell. What was the spell? Yes, fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. As soon as he said the secret spell, he started to shine. Actually, it was a magic. After seeing this, our mouse said to the mole, see, look at our fly. He is so pretty. I want to shine like this. And our mole said to mouse, I could shine like our fly. And our fly was very happy. And he smiled and said to the moon, Moon, you are my friend. And I will always be your friend. When you come out in the dark, I will shine and welcome you. And the moon said, thank you, dear fly. So our moon and the fly became friends and our fly got its light. So children, do you love the story? Yes, very good. And now we can read the lesson. After that, you must read the lesson from your home. And you must write and study the new words. Then only you will be able to write without mistakes. And in the next class, we will discuss the textual exercise. So don't forget to read the textbook. It was springtime. Insects flew from flower to flower, sipping nectar. Everyone was happy, but Fly was sad. He wanted to be special. Fly looked at Butterfly and said, Butterfly is so pretty. Look at the colors on her wings. I have nothing special. Fly looked at Bee and said, Bee is so strong. Hear him buzz. One night, Fly could not sleep. He flew around the garden. Mole and Mouse were away, but they did not see Fly. He was too small. It was hard to see him in the dark. Fly saw the stars. They were shining. I want to shine like that. That would be special, he said. Moon heard this and said, Fly, if you help me, I will make you shine. How can I help you? Asked Fly. Moon said, "You can be my friend. I am lonely at night. I come out when it is dark. Most animals are asleep. If you stay awake every night, I will help you shine." "Yes, Moon, I will do that," Fly said. Then Moon said to Fly, "I will teach you a secret spell. Fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine. If you say these words every night, you will shine." The next night, Fly stayed awake. He said the secret words, "Fly, oh fly, shine, oh shine." As soon as he said these words, Fly started to shine. He was like a star. It was magical.
"Look," said Mouse to Mole. "Look at Fly. How special. I want to shine too." Mole said, "Yes, I wish I could shine like Fly too."
Fly was very happy now. He told Moon with a smile, "I will always be your friend. When you come out at night, I will be here. I will shine brightly in the dark to welcome you." Moon smiled back at his new friend and said, "Thank you, dear Fly." So don't forget to read the textbook. Till then, take care. Bye.